On today's video, I'm going to show you a CAPTCHA typing job that you can use to make money online from home wherever you are in the world. The best part is that you can use your mobile phone to complete the job and you are going to be paid wherever you are in the world. You don't need to invest any money, you don't need any skill to do this, you don't need any experience. Everything is simple and you can do it as a beginner. So make sure you watch till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. Today we are going to be using this website, CAPTCHA.com. As you can see, the name of the website right here, CAPTCHA.com. This is a website that allows you to earn money just by typing captchas. You can see it right here, CAPTCHA typing job. You can see online earning by solving captchas. So you are not going to do anything apart from solving captchas. So when you come here, you can see make money by CAPTCHA typing in mobile. You can do it on your mobile phone. You can see fill CAPTCHA and earn money without investment. You can see the payment is instant. So once you earn, you are going to be paid. You can do it from the comfort of your home. This is something that you can do even if you're a beginner. You don't need any skills to do it. You can just start with your mobile phone and you are going to be making money. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to sign up for a free account so that you can start filling the captchas, and this website is going to pay you. So just come right here, click on sign up so that you can sign up for your free accounts. Once you click on sign up, what you need to do is that you have to provide your details. So you can either use your Google accounts to sign up for an account or your Facebook accounts. If you don't want any of that, you can just enter your email right here so that you can sign up for a free account. So what you are going to do is that just paste your email right here. Once you paste your email, you are going to enter your password. So enter any password that you want. So I'm going to use the suggested one. Make sure you change it later. The next thing is that just click on I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. So just select this. Once that is done, click on continue so that you can proceed to the next step. If you want to save it, you can say update. So now right here you are going to enter I'm not a robot. So just click on it so that you can fill the captchas. So once you click on it, you can see traffic light, select it, then click on next. The next one is vehicle, so just select it, click on verify, and you can see it has been verified. You can see please confirm your email address to continue. Confirmation instruction was sent to the email address you used to register your account. So just check your inbox so that you can continue with the next step. So when you open your inbox, you are going to see a page like this. This is the link that you can click to continue with the registration. So just click on it so that you can proceed to the next step. Once you click on it, you can see I am a customer, I am a worker. When you scroll down, you can see I am a developer. So what you need to do is that you have to select I'm a worker because you want to work on this website. You don't want to buy traffic from the website, you want to work. So just come here, click on next so that you can proceed with the next step. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see your dashboard, everything is 00 right now. So if you want to invite people and earn, you can just come here, copy this link so that you can send it to your friends, your family members, so that they can also sign up for an account. Once they sign up for an account, anytime they earn, you are going to get a portion of their earning. So as you can see, this is a new account. I have not invited anyone yet. So just copy your affiliate link right here so that you can send it to others. Now once you've signed in, the next thing is that you are going to start working on this platform so that you can begin earning money. So come right here, click on start work. Once you click on start work, you can see change the language. Please specify your language knowledge level in the form below. So here you are going to select the language that you speak. So if you don't speak English, just click on it so that you can select the appropriate language. So for me, I understand English, so I'm going to leave it as it is. So now what you are going to do is that just come here, I speak this language, so select that. Once you select that, click on save so that they can save your details. Now what you are going to do is that you are going to start working. You can see before start working with our service, you have to complete the training. It is free, fast and easy. It will protect your account from being suspended for making mistakes. So what you are going to do is that you have to take a training so that your accounts can be secured. So just come here, click on start so that you can start with the training. So once you click on start, this is the training that you have to go through. So just enter the figures that you have seen here so that they can verify that you can actually do the work. You can see the seconds here is counting. So let me begin. So it's 8 9 5 50. So just click on enter. So once you click on it, you can see 1/9. So the next thing is that you are going to enter 25 11 5 3. Click on enter. So you are going to be doing that till the end. So just enter. So we have C D 6 G 6 E. Then click on send so that you can send the details. You can see the next one. So this one we are going to type it. So we have Q Y H U Z K A. So once that is done, just click on enter so that you can proceed to the next step. You can see expiring okay. So just something like that. Click on enter. So you proceed to the next step. You can see 5 N J F 7 F enter. So just as simple as that. The next one we are going to type JLP 6 P6 X 5. Then you send enter. You can see that is wrong. You can see the clue right here. So you just type it. So we have JLP 5. Then you click on enter so that you can proceed. As you can see 7/9. The next one is pepper and onion. So just P and then we have an onion. So that is it. Just click on enter so that you can proceed. You can see this language I don't understand. So just click on can't solve. So just click on that. Once you click, you can see you have successfully completed your training. So if you want to work, click on cabinet so that you can proceed with the work. So click here cabinet so that you can now start working on the website. You can see your account has been put into the sleeping mode. Press start to continue. So just come right here, click on start. Once you click on start, you can see the amount that you are going to earn. So this is the rate. If you are able to enter this CAPTCHA, you are going to earn this amount. So 45 cents. So let's scroll down. As you can see, it is reading. So what you are going to do is that you are going to select the right one. So they say pair with the same. So you can just select any of them. You can see once I've entered the right, you can see the earning right here. So the next thing is that you are going to enter this one. So we have ITJF1. Enter. You can see my earning has increased right here. So this is what you are going to be doing, and you are going to be earning money on this platform. You can see the next one. So we have 9B44. So that is done. So just click on enter. You can see the amount has increased. You can see this one right here. You are going to enter that. So we have WHMSA. Enter. You can see the amount has increased. Once that is done, you can see this one. Please click image containing a bridge. So you can see this one right here, a bridge. This one is a bridge. So once that is done, just click on enter. You can see the amount has increased right here. So that is what you are going to be doing so that you can earn money on this particular website. So you are going to continue doing that so that you'll be earning money as you enter the CAPTCHAs. So as you can see, there's another one right here. You can see stairs. So let's come here. There's a stairs one, stair here, and there's one here. So just click on enter. You can see this is the amount that I've earned right now. So if you want to cash out, what you have to do is just come to payout. Once you come to payout, you can see this is the withdrawals. So just come here. Please note, payout to PayPal, Western Union bank accounts are not available and will never be available. They don't pay through all these methods. However, they have a convenient method that you can use to cash your money out. So what you have to do is that just scroll down, come right here, change wallet. Once you click on change wallet, you can see your account does not have a linked wallet. Please choose your preferred payout method. So you have to link your wallet. So when you come here, you can see web money, you can cash your payment through that, and the minimum amount is 50 cents. When you come to perfect money, the minimum amount is 50 cents. You can see Bitcoin, the minimum amount is $10 and the fee is always 00. They are not going to charge you any fee. When you scroll, you can see add vCash, the minimum amount is 50 cents. You can see Payer, the minimum amount is 50 cents. You can see ATM, the minimum amount is $1. So as I scroll, you can see Bitcoin Cash, the minimum amount is 25 cents. You can see this one right here, I don't know it, so it's $10. So whatever method that is convenient to you, just create your accounts and link it to this website so that you can be paid anytime you earn. So that is how it is. You don't need any skills to make money on this website. So all that you need to do is that just sign up so that you can just fill the captchas. Once you fill the captchas, you are going to be earning money on this website. I've just logged out to show you more of the details. So as you can see here, start earning from $1 for 1,000 solved captchas. So the rate is different. When you scroll down here, you can see $1 per 1,000 normal captchas, 2.99 per 1,000 JS captchas. So it depends on the captchas that you fill. If you fill the normal one, you are going to be earning $1 per 1,000. If you earn the JS, you are going to be earning $299 per 1,000. So this is something that you can do because it doesn't take a lot of time. So what you have to do is that just create your accounts so that you can start earning money on this website. It's very simple and it is available worldwide. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.